Are you headed to your first dude ranch and think, hey, I know what to pack. I read the list. I'm good. I've also seen city slickers. Well, hold your horses, people. I can promise you there are some things that you're not thinking about that are not on all the dude ranches lists. This video is everything that you're going to need to pack, bring with you, and use while you're on the dude ranch. I'm Kim, the Abundant Traveler. I've been to 65 countries and lived in 5, and I love riding horses and going to dude ranches. So this video has everything you're going to need before you go. Let's start with number 1. So the number 1 thing you need to think about when you're going to a dude ranch is what you're going to wear to ride horses. People, no tennis shoes and no shorts and short socks. That is just asking for trouble, chafing, bruises, etc. What I recommend that you bring are some good quality jeans without the fancy seams and no rhinestones on the hiney, because what that'll do, your butt will hit the back of the saddle and you end up with little bruises on the back of your butt. I do recommend bringing a couple or 3 pair of jeans if you're going to be there for an entire week. Me, I'm at a dude ranch for 4 days, so I brought 2 pair of jeans, 1 for every other day, because honestly, around the horses, everybody smells, so it's okay if you wear your jeans 2 days in a row. Next, for horseback riding, bring some good quality socks. These are Thorlows. Also bring socks that are a little bit longer that cover your ankle. When you're riding a horse, you want to make sure that your ankles are covered. No crop jeans and no short shoes. And honestly, guys, please don't wear tennis shoes, because when you're kicking the horse like this with the tennis shoe with that rubber sole, he's not even going to know that you're there. Make sure also that you wear a little bit of heel with those shoes. Let me give you an example. They may not be the perfect riding boots, but with a little bit of a heel and a little bit of a toe here, I can give the horse a kick this way and a kick this way. Additionally, with this little bit of heel, my foot is not going to slide through the stirrup, so I won't get caught up in the stirrup if something happens and my horse runs away. But most dude ranches, horses don't run away. It's all good. Good quality socks and good quality shoes. If you're not going to wear a true cowboy boot, then wear something that does have a heel. Now let's talk about the next important thing. It is your hat. And this is my George Strait Resistol, which I absolutely love this hat. This hat is a great Texas hat. That's where I'm from. And what you need to cover your face. You also need a strap here, because if you don't have a strap, a gust of wind will come by, it'll flip off, your wrangler will have to go get your hat, you'll scare the horse behind you, it'll be a big mess. So make sure this hat is great for a dude ranch, but it is not great for riding. Most of the dude ranches will have hats for you that you can borrow and that will have a strap here that you can cinch up so they're safe on the ride. So giddy up, cowboy. So if you're enjoying this video and finding value in it, then make sure to subscribe and like this video so YouTube will share it with other travelers who are headed to some dude ranches. Next, you need to have, when you're riding horses, gloves. Of course, I don't ride with gloves. Maybe that's why my hands don't look so great, because I've ridden my whole life. But if you're worried about your nails, your manicure, you're worried about your hands and the way they look, then I definitely recommend wearing gloves. Good quality leather gloves. Most dude ranches you can buy gloves if you don't have them, because sometimes you actually will buy them at Academy or something like that back home and they're the wrong thing. So you can usually wait until you're at the dude ranch to buy and get the perfect set of gloves. If you're looking for the ultimate packing guide for going to your first dude ranch, then go to the description below and download the free guide. It's right there, it says free guide, download here. Let's talk about some of the clothes that you want to have just wandering around the ranch, not to do with horses. 1, I recommend bring some fun shirts. Bring a plaid shirt. Bring a cute little ranch shirt like this. This shirt right here has these cute little sleeves. You can bring leggings as well. Just bring more comfortable clothes to do the rest of the activities at the ranch, whether you're going to e-biking or you're doing a little bit of hiking or what, or just lounging around. Bring some fun ranch clothes. Also bring some fun ranch earrings or something like that. You know, it is fun to dress up while you're at the ranch. You can get some amazing photos. In addition to just some of this fun stuff, let's talk about this plaid shirt for just a moment. It is extremely important for horseback riding, hiking, e-bike riding, etc. Bring long sleeve shirts. The reason for that is out under the sun, you're gonna get burned. So definitely bring sunscreen, but we'll talk about that in a moment. But you will need a long sleeve shirt. If it's in the middle of the summer, you want a wicking shirt. If it's in the middle of the winter, you definitely want layers, but always bring long sleeve shirts. If you look at the wranglers riding horses and the guys working on the ranch, they're always in a long sleeve and long jeans no matter what time of the year. If you are going to be going, I'm here in April at the White Stallion Ranch, so I'm gonna give a shout out to the White Stallion Ranch in Tucson, Arizona. A wonderful ranch, amazing family, amazing staff. I've had so much fun. Let's talk about a couple of things that you need to have that I did not bring that I wish I would have brought. Number one, bring tissues, guys. When you are e-biking or hiking or riding horses or anything out there, you want to have one of those little packs of Kleenex tissues. I didn't bring one, so guess what I'm stuffing in my pocket every time I go on a ride? Yep, little extra toilet paper. A couple more accessories that I recommend. One, a good pair of sunglasses. These may not be the best at a dude ranch, but I do love my Ray-Bans. When you're riding horses and e-bikes, everything kicks up dust, so you want to make sure you're wearing some kind of protective eye gear. But I'm here in April, and in the mornings, it's quite cold. I have brought a jacket and a vest with me for the mornings, and it has been wonderful to sit out at the front of my casita and sit and have my coffee in the morning with my vest on and my jacket. And honestly, I have needed both. Even in the afternoon, riding, you know, there's wind that's picking up. You're actually moving at a clip, so you might want to be wearing your vest even in the afternoon. Again, thin long sleeve shirt. Actually, I did use a vest the entire day yesterday, riding and wandering around the ranch. Couple other things to talk about: shoes. These are my Birkenstocks. I wear these just around the ranch to wander around, to go to meals, etc. This is great. I also have some closed-toed shoes. I brought some running shoes because you can do hiking here as well. And besides my boots, my Birkenstocks and my closed-toed shoes, that is enough for a week. If you like baseball caps, then bring a baseball cap because it is quite sunny. Also, if it's cold outside, this is a great, just bring a beanie because beanies are great late at night and early in the morning. I can tell you the likelihood is at a dude ranch, you're gonna be up early in the morning and not up late at night. I've been going to bed at like 8 or 8:30 our time here. The next thing, if the dude ranch has a swimming pool or a place to lay out, make sure to bring your bathing suit. This is a new one that I bought, so make sure to bring that. And usually the dude ranches have towels for you, so you don't have to worry about that. Now let's talk about a few accessories that are extremely important to bring. Number one is sunscreen. I have two different kinds of sunscreen here. Remember, you're going to need sunscreen out there riding horses, riding e-bikes, and hiking. Make sure to cover your part, your face, your forehead, and also make sure to cover your hands in sunscreen. Extremely important. I actually burned my hands the first day. So sunscreen is number one. Another accessory that I bring on a dude ranch, especially in Arizona or in New Mexico or in Texas where it's quite dry, I bring a mister. This is great to give your face a little bit of moisture during the day because your face, I promise you, is going to be stressed out and parched to no end. Also, when you're riding horses, e-bikes, and doing all the activities, make sure to bring ties for your hair. You want to have your hair back or it's going to be flipping all over your face. Those are some accessories. As far as hiking accessories, bring your hiking boots, bring your hiking gear, make sure you have wicking clothing as well. Bring layers again. Layers are so important in everything that you do. Additionally, I have this incredible little day pack that I love. Hold on one second. This guy I absolutely love. It is lightweight, it folds up on itself, and it is my favorite little sort of 2 to 3 hour hiking pack. Not a lot of support back here, but it is great if you're not your primary thing to do is to go hiking. So there are 3 things I wish I would have brought that I didn't. Number 1, sports bras. Ladies, you're riding horses and doing lots of activities, you need your sports bras with you. Number 2, I wish I would have brought a lip brush. You're out there with the animals and it's great to have a lip brush. And number 3, a bandana. I could have used my bandana to cover the back of my neck when it's sunny out, and also it's really been dusty on the trail, so it would have been great to cover my mouth, and so I wasn't eating all of that dust. 3 things I wish I would have brought that I promise the next time I will. I also suggest bringing chapstick. Again, you want to have a good quality chapstick, and what I do is get one with SPF for my lips, and I tend to put it on my nose as well. You also want 1 or 2 water bottles with you. 1 water bottle like this to take with you on your rides and e-biking and archery, hunting, whatever you do. You also might want to bring your personal coffee Yeti for the mornings because they usually have coffee really early in the morning. So you can go fill up a cup, keep it in your Yeti, and bring it back to your room. So if you have space in your suitcase, then bring a water bottle and a coffee bottle. This is not an accessory, but this is extremely important. Bring some cash for the staff, whether it's the people cleaning your rooms, taking you on the rides, it's the wranglers, it's the kitchen staff, it's the office staff. Please bring tip money for all of them. They work really, really hard. I know that all the ranches take good care of their staff, but it sure is nice when they are able to have a little extra tip money. So very, very important. The last couple are some accessories that I recommend. One is a head torch or a headlamp that you can wear at night. A lot of the ranches are out in the middle of nowhere. So as soon as you step off the, just a little bit down the main road, you probably are going to need a head torch at night. And the final thing in this list is if you have specific dietary restrictions or very strict diet, not all ranches can accommodate you. Sometimes they're buffet, other times they actually bring you your plate. All the ranches will try and accommodate you, but sometimes you need your extra supplements or some snack bars or something like that with you. So think about that. Also check with the ranch in advance for the types of food that they have as well as what they can accommodate for you. I appreciate you watching. Make sure to check out this video on the White Stallion Ranch. I'm Kim, the Abundant Traveler, and I'll see you on some dude ranch riding an amazing horse very, very soon. Take care. See you soon.